Do you have a toolbox that sounds like this? Do you want to organize that toolbox? Have you seen our video about cutting custom Kaizen foam inserts? Have you said to yourself, I don't have time to do all that? If you answered yes to all of those questions, we have the solution, and it's coming right up.
Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came.
Being a contractor, when we finish a job, sometimes we have some excess materials left over. Those excess materials can really come in handy. Enter this unfaced fiberglass insulation. This fiberglass makes perfect sound deadening material for your toolbox inserts. All you do is take your toolbox, right? You dump out all these tools that you want to organize. You take your fiberglass insulation. This is how quick and easy this goes. It's unreal, unbelievable. You get your utility knife. You want to cut a nice straight edge here. Okay. You're going to use a snap type. You're going to use all of the same. You're going to use all the same equipment that you've used in your Kaizen foam inserts, but you don't have to go to all the trouble of measuring your. Look at that. I mean, that's beautiful. Okay. Then you just throw all of your tools right into that insulation. Okay, so throw them tools in there. Then all you do next is you get another piece and you just cut a secondary piece. Look at that. Custom inserts. Close your lid. Boom, you're done. Silence is golden, and it's cheap too. You can get a roll of unfaced fiberglass insulation, 25 foot of it, for like $20. How could you beat that? What if you have maybe a bigger box? All you're going to do is the same process. You're going to get your insulation. This time, maybe start at the bottom. And you're not going to cut your insulation this time. What you'll do is you'll get your tools. You'll throw them in. Because there's a lot of tools, what you're going to want to do is create layers. You just fold this over. And you keep putting your tools in. If you have blades, you put them in one layer there. This is amazing. And fast and easy. Put all your blades on one level. Then you'll cover that over. Then you'll have a level for your saws. Put your insulation down. Boom! I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Also, if you have some excess material left over after you organize your toolboxes, it makes great loofah for removing dead skin from your face and your hands. It's awesome stuff. So, with that, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Share this with somebody that has some fiberglass insulation laying around and needs to organize their toolboxes. Or maybe they have dead skin they need to remove from their hands and face. Share this video with them. They'll thank you for it later. Believe me, you'll be getting a phone call from them With that, I want to say, everybody, have a great day. I mean, it's April 1st. What more could you ask for? It's beautiful out. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys. See ya. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.